Every product that is ever made for consumers has multiple crucial segments that ultimately ensure its best quality. Any manufacturer around the world will agree to the fact that packaging is one of the paramount processes of all. This is where the overall quality of the product is encapsulated for its optimum result. And this is the stage where we, Comson, come into the picture to ensure the packaging process and its standards. Comson is a name that has been gaining heights because of our unwavering commitment towards quality. Our facility is fully equipped with end-to-end solutions, which includes high-tech machinery like specialized tape lines, circular looms, needle looms, extrusion lamination plants, solventless and solvent-based lamination plant, 3-layer PE liner blown film plant, high-speed rotogravure printing machine, flexographic printing machine, multi-filament yarn plant and twisting machines, fully automated cutting and stitching lines, back seam machine, and bale press machine. We also have a fully equipped QC lab. We are proud to say that we possess a total manufacturing capacity of 16,800 metric tons, which includes 5 million big bags and 50 million woven sacks annually. Furthermore, we have also developed expertise in producing BOPP laminated PP woven bags, which is an economical and multifunctional alternative to the multi-wall kraft paper bags. The BOPP bags are known for their stiffness, high tensile strength, excellent optics, and good water resistance properties. The BOPP films range from 10 to 50 microns. Printing over BOPP films is done using 2 high-speed rotogravure printing machines, which have an automatic registration control system that prints up to 8 colors with reverse and surface printing technology. We have a wide range of BOPP bags ranging from 5 kg to 75 kg. BOPP laminated bag on one side, BOPP laminated bag on 2 sides, circular and back seam, non-gusseted or with gusset, regular or shifted, gloss finish and matte finish, gloss metallized and matte metallized. According to specific needs, we also provide additional features with our BOPP bags, such as micro perforation and holes for air permeability, half window or full window, zigzag cut or plain cut, single fold or double fold bottom stitch, top easy open, top hemmed with yarn or ultrasonic sealing, plastic molded BOPP, nylon handles, cross-stitched handles, D-cut handles. Our plethora of production capabilities enables us to cater to a wide range of industries like animal and pet food, bird food, grains and pulses, flour, spices, milk powder, tea and coffee, nuts and dry fruits, fertilizer and chemical, cement and wall plaster, seeds, powder and granules, incense sticks, promotional bags, BOPP laminated FIBC or jumbo bags, and many more. We now boast an experience of around 3 decades of catering to our clients with sky-high standards of production with utmost hygiene, safety and quality. At our in-house quality testing facility, all our BOPP bags are subjected to rigorous drop tests, peel strength test, COF test and UV test to ensure their strength, integrity and durability. Under the guidance and supervision of our highly experienced management, all our employees work towards making sure that our products are of the highest quality. Once manufactured, all our BOPP bags are then packed in specialized corrugated boxes to ensure that they stay wrinkle-free and freeze-free, which then eases their use in automatic filling machines by the users. For our best-in-class workforce, each of our working partners is happy to learn new skills through our continuous training programs. We also have regular health checkup camps, on-call doctors and ambulance facilities, firefighting equipments at every step to ensure a safe work environment. We have also planted more than 1,000 sapling trees nearby Indore. Additionally, our factories are simultaneously powered by solar energy, which significantly cuts down our carbon footprint as we encourage sustainability. These aren't just tasks for us. These are our duties towards the society we live in. Comson, adding and achieving new milestones every day because
we deliver what we commit.